Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will be making the whipped frothy coffee that's been trending on TikTok. So first in a bowl we add 3 teaspoons of instant coffee. Next I added 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can add as much or as little as you want, depends on the sweetness that you want for your drink. Once the instant coffee and sugar have been added, we mix it together with the spoon and just blend it in together. Next, we add 3 teaspoons of hot boiling water to the sugar and instant coffee. Now we start whisking together the sugar, instant coffee, and hot water for about 10 minutes. I'm using a hand whisk. However, if you have an electric whisk, it might be a bit faster. However, a hand whisk will work perfectly fine. So we whisk until we get a light brownish color, like the one in the video coming up right now, and then we can stop whisking. So your mix should be looking something like this right now. So now we get the ice out of the fridge, we get our cup and the milk. Add as many ice cubes you want to your cup. The more ice, the colder, and I personally find the more ice, the more it tastes better. Now we add our milk. You can add any milk you like. I personally like the Silk almond milk, so I give it a shake and I add it on top of the ice. You fill your cup to about 3/4 with milk. Now we gather our coffee mix with the spoon and take 3 big spoons and add it on top of the milk and ice in our cup. I added about 3 spoons of the coffee mix in my cup. You can add more or less, that depends on the taste you want to get. The more you add, the stronger the taste. So once you added the amount of mix you wanted in the cup, you could start mixing it all together. And your final result should look something like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!